Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to be creating a model shell for our handheld video game. Let's differentiate the parts of our assembly with some color. Right-click, select Appearances. I'm going to make the top housing a light bronze color. Now let's modify the color of the battery cover. Right-click, Appearances. I'll choose pastel yellow, let's say. OK. Let's do the bottom housing now. Right-click, Appearances. And I'll make it light green. And click OK. Now let's right-click on the top housing. Select Edit Part. I'm going to activate the Shell tool now. Thickness 1 mm. Now we select Faces to remove. Let's check Show Preview so we can better see what we're doing. And click OK. And let's exit Part Editing mode. Right-click on the bottom housing now. Edit Part. Activate the Shell command again. 1 mm thickness. Faces to remove. We've got the top face. Show Preview. And click OK. Looks good? Let's right-click and edit the assembly. The traffic light symbol is lit up. That means the assembly needs to be updated. We click on it to update. Now let's save our work. Solidworks prompts us to save both the document and the referenced models now. Yes, we do. Let's click Yes. And this concludes our lesson about creating the shell feature for our video game.